Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to share the Google Docs link on WhatsApp. Google Docs allows multiple users to collaborate on a document simultaneously. Sharing the link on WhatsApp enables quick access and collaborators can provide feedback or make edits in real time. First of all, open up the Google Docs in your web browser. Once you get into the doc file you want to share, simply click on the Share button from the top right corner. To share the doc file, you need to enter your file name. After entering the name, click to save it. Now you need to change the privacy options. So click on General Access and choose the option Anyone with a link. After that, click to copy the link to your docs. Now open up the new tab and open up the WhatsApp web here. Now scan the QR code to log into your WhatsApp. Then you can share the docs link with your friends, and your friends can simply click on the shared link, which will take you to the docs file you shared the link to. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.